Hi everyone, this is for enhancement 8. This is going to be going over the vehicle detail pages, all the classifications showing up, the links working, and action controller setup, and the responsiveness. Okay, should have started homepage. So, back to the homepage. With all the paths that were changed and the images that were changed, there were a lot of naming errors, so I did have to go back and manually change those, and in most cases, I just wrote a large SQL script which can be used to update names on this database. So I'm going to go to used. Yeah, we got vehicles. I'm going to go to trucks. Yeah, I got stuff. So this name is dynamic, this name is not, and then all content is dynamic. I made the text, that's not the header, smaller because there was spacing issues and it just did not look good. I'm going to go to the GM details. Okay, and I'm going to show you, oh, actually, this. Hovering over this, action equal vehicle, vehicle ID is equal to 12, which is the vehicle ID of the value. Queries the database, gets the data, perfect. Name of it, description, a little bit of spacing, price, color, in stock. And let's show you the responsiveness. Okay, this is about 700 pixels wide, which is my small, medium, like smaller view, not medium yet. I use iPhone SE for most of my test cases because this is one of the more extreme ones because it's extremely tiny. As you can see, it's all still, you can all still see it really well. And this is at 100%, so normal. The XR, Pixel 5. Galaxy Fold. Yeah, Galaxy Fold is one of the tiniest ones, I think. So it's always fun to try and test it there. And then just like responsive in general. So this is small, kind of medium-ish. This is more, at 760 pixels is like the absolute medium for me. And then anything above 1200, this gets a lot bigger. And that's the general responsiveness of it. So as you saw, large view, 2 columns, or like anything above medium view, 2 columns. Anything like smaller than that, it's all 1 column and the stuff is kind of in a block display, essentially. And I'll show you validate local CSS and HTML. Earlier today, the servers were down for this website, and so I couldn't work on this for like a couple hours. Kind of sad. So HTML got validated. CSS got validated. I had one issue. I was trying to change one thing and actually then accidentally change it for a different thing. And I was looking at it for like 20 or 30 minutes and I finally found I was like, how did I do that? But yeah. I'm just going through some of the different vehicles. It's all the same essentially. Some of these images are very larger, like a lot larger, some of them are smaller. But as you saw, all the prices are done correctly. And I used a number format PHP function, which formatted it for me, made it a lot easier to read and understand. And yeah, this assignment was really simple. It was just making everything really dynamic, having it all pop up, links and everything sent correctly. And I think that's it for this assignment.